Today I will make some box for nozzles for QIDI Q1 Pro. The nozzle have length 19 mm. I will import the box. Okay, face, we choose the face, F. Okay, I will little rotate the page down, page up will rotate. Okay, I will print this like that. I will print with profile 0.4 mm nozzle. I will use the high speed PETG from King Run and the high profile 0.16 mm with standard speeds. I choose all the speed for this profile from my datasheet. I change the datasheet a little to is better to use them. Everyone can see this is profiles for fast print speed, for high speed or high flow filament. Standard print speed is for regular filament also, and also we can make some engineering models with this profile. And the slow print is a high quality print speed. We can see to the speeds with all the profiles is different. For this I will use the standard for QIDI Q1 Pro. I will go to QIDI Q1 Pro now. Okay, we have here and profile for the 16 millimeters high, 0.16 millimeter high, nozzle 0.4. we see maximum speed for ORCA Slicer here 140 millimeter. We can see here all this I put to the my profile print. The filament have profile like that. You see the temperature what I use, maximum volumetric speed for this filament for 0.4 nozzle is 20 cubic millimeter per second. Is less 20 millimeter from maximum speed. Every time I make like that. Cooling for this plastic we see setting override. I put here the retraction 0.5 after check, because more retraction not is good for this plastic. Okay, this is all settings I think. Quality, we can see the profile for quality is like that. Okay, I use standard strength. I make the profile like that. This is my profiles. Support we not use. Others we make no brim. The pay plate in QIDI Q1 Pro work very good. many times when I print I not use the brim because I not need. Okay, we make slice. The box, everyone can little change for the height of the box if want, and use for the other printers also. This box I prepare for QIDI Q1 Pro, but also is possible to put, I think, other nozzles. The QIDI Q1 Pro nozzle is 19mm high or long, and the box I prepare for this dimension of nozzle. Okay, all is good. You see 8 hours will be print the box. Okay, we can send all for print and we wait for the box. If you have some questions, please write me, and thank you very much. Subscribe my channel.